The Hide It add-on. Hide your selected object or objects with a button. They will be hidden in the viewport and listed in your Hide It panel. Just select your objects and press the Hide Selected button. Of course, the H key can also be used to hide the object. The objects will appear in the currently hidden objects list. Next to each object, there will be a button to unhide the selected object again. Or, in the outliner, the eye icon can also be used. The Hide and Render checkbox on top can be used if you also want the objects not being shown in the render. But keep in mind, objects set hidden with the H key will not be hidden in the render. The Unhide All button will unhide all the hidden objects in the scene, even those that were hidden by using the outliner. If the Unhide and Render checkbox is checked and you unhide the object will be shown again in the viewport and in the render. This is also the case if the Unhide All button is used. There is also a Unhide Last button. If pressed, it will unhide the last object that was hidden. Objects hidden by using the panel or using the outliner. It makes no difference. The Unhide Last will show the object again in the opposite order of hiding. And with the Unhide Steps selector, you can choose how many Unhide Last steps you want to go back at once. And the steps, they can be changed whenever you want. Hiding vertices, edges and faces is also possible. You select your mesh, and in the drop-down in the panel, you select vertices, edges or faces. Your object goes into edit mode, and you select the part of your mesh you want to hide. Press the Hide Selected button, and your selection is now hidden. The H key can also be used to hide the selected part. You can select one or more vertices, edges or faces at once, or in steps. The Unhide Last button will unhide the hidden parts of your mesh in the step that was set in the selector. You can undo the steps until the mesh is complete again. And of course, the Unhide All button unhides all at once. To install the add-on, just open Blender and go to the Blender Preferences under the Edit tab. On the left is the Add-ons or the Get Extensions section. You click the Install from Disk button on top, and you go where you downloaded the add-on. Save your preferences and you are good to go. The add-on will appear in the end panel.